In this video, we're going to focus on the table styles, and basically with the table styles you can do many things, and right now I've added a few more options in here. So in total we have 3 options here within our table, and sometimes you want to give it like a you can do a padding, a color, a style, etc, etc. We already are familiar with that, but maybe you want to hover it. So what we can do is we can create a hover effect here. So let me show you exactly how to do this. And what we're going to do is we're going to focus specifically on the table row, TR. And the reason why is because if you hover over this one and you would select the table, the entire table will become a hover effect, which is not what we want. And if you only use this value or this one, the table head or the table data, only that cell will become highlighted. And we want to have the entire row, so depending on what we want, if you hover over this row, everything within that row should be highlighted. So let's start and explore that one. So the first thing what we need to do here is we just put in a TR, small characters of course, TR, and then we say here hover, and then we say background. And we can give it a background color once we hover over it, and let's say this background color is light green. Once we save this, and then once we refresh, you can see here now we have a completely nicely light green design. However, that's it. You say, well, this here up should not highlight. It should not be highlighted. And the reason why this should not be highlighted is because it is not really a value. It's just like the one that indicates the value, and everything else below here should show a highlighter. Alright, to do this, it requires a few tricks. Luckily, these tricks are easy to do. So let me show you this advanced trick here. I haven't discussed most of these things, but very soon I will cover these as well. So we can do here, we do TR, and then we say not. So basically what we're going to do in CSS now with the not command, this not command will eventually say or indicate that only give something a color if it's not, or only follow this design if it is not certain condition here. So basically it's an if statement. So we go over parentheses, then we say here first child. So it's with the first child, which is the first row in our case of our item. In that case we should ignore it, and then we say here hover. So basically what we want to do is we want to ignore the values or the light green hover on the first child if it's matching our condition here. So if the table row first child, do not apply hover of this. Everything else do apply. Let's save, refresh, and now if you hover over it, you can see only the second, third, and fourth. So how do we know this is the first child? Well, if you look at it, this is the child element, and this is the parent, the table body, and then we have also as well here the table what is that, the table itself, the table tag. So basically here this one is considered the table row itself is considered the child, and then everything within here is as well the child. So this one should not be applied on this. The moment we hover on the others, you will see it does apply properly, and this is the way how you can use it. And very soon I will cover this one because this is very useful as well to do. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.